Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. We are back as we continue working on our Wix booking site, and today we are going to be working on our About page. First, we are going to go to the Pages and Menu button, and under Site Menu, we are going to go to About. You may be wondering how we have these pages here. We have these pages automatically because of the template we chose when creating this website. Anyway, feel free to edit any web page you want to edit first. I'm just doing the About page for now because we're going in a chronological order for this series. So we're going to be editing all of these pages one by one. So since we've finished our homepage in the previous video, we're going to work on the About page right now since it's very essential for us to edit each web page to ensure that they are consistent in terms of branding and to also ensure that we input the correct information on each of them. Anyway, here we are on the About page. So we're going to be editing all the content here. And as for me, I'm going to be editing some and deleting some that I don't really need. So first, I'd like to replace this image over here. So I'm going to click on this picture and then I'm going to click on Change Image here. And then this new window will appear and our image that we want to use has not been uploaded yet, so let's upload it by clicking this Upload Media button. Click on Upload from Computer, go to the location of your file, and then select the file you want to upload and click on Open. So let's wait for it to load up. And once it's fully uploaded, we can click on it and click on Choose Image, and it'll automatically change our image over here. And if you like, you can choose a shape for your image by clicking on your image and then by clicking on, let's try that again. Click on your image and then click on the crop icon over here. So once you click on the crop icon, you'll be able to see the shape crop. Click on it and select from different shapes here that you'd like to use. As for me, I think I'm quite happy with how it is originally, so I'm just going to cancel cropping this image. Okay, now we're going to take care of our text content over here. So instead of using the AI text for page tool, I'd like to edit texts individually this time. So I'm going to click on my text and then click on Create AI Text. And on this window, we're going to input over here what we'd like to generate. It doesn't have to be perfectly written as long as all the ideas in there. Wix's AI writing assistant will help turn that into a well-structured text. So let's start typing in our prompt. All right, once you're done inputting your prompt, you can then choose your preferred tone over here. So it's in default currently, but once you click on it, you'll get to choose the tone of voice you like. So in my case, I'd like it to be professional. And once you're done, you can click on Save. Now we're going to click on this button over here so that the AI will start generating. And once your text has been generated, there are options you can choose from at the bottom. And if you like to see more options, click on See More over here. If you're not really happy with the text, then you can go ahead and try to input your prompt once again, just like what I'm gonna do here because it didn't actually go the way I wanted to. So I'm going to re-input my prompt and add more instructions to the AI so that it'll understand what we want it to generate. Okay, we're going to try it again. Let's hit enter. So the more specific you are in giving your instructions to the AI, the better the result or the generated text will be. Okay, and once you're happy with your text, you can either click on copy here or click on use text for it to automatically be placed over here. And you can close this window once you're done. By the way, you have to remember that AI is not perfect. It can generate mistakes. It can generate inaccurate information, and it can even generate sometimes misspellings, sometimes grammatical errors. So it's essential that you recheck everything just to make sure that everything is perfect, it's free of any errors, and also to make sure that the idea is consistent. What I mean is the AI generated text is true to the original idea you wanted it to create. So I'm just going to be checking this text for a little bit and I'll get back to you in a sec. And if you like, you can also edit your text's appearance by double clicking on it and by using the tools here on this small window. I'm just going to make this image a bit bigger and I'm just going to move it over here. And of course, you can do a much better job than I am doing over here. Okay, moving on. So we have our story over here. Instead of our story, I'd like to change it to like a meet our team section. And yeah, to do that, I'm going to go to the add section button here. And we're going to go to the team category. And we're going to select a nice team template over here. I think this one is okay, so I'm going to drag and drop this section and paste it over here. Let's see. Okay, much better. And since I don't really need this, I'm going to delete this section by clicking on this section and by hitting the delete key on my keyboard. And I'm going to also be deleting this section because I don't have anything to input over here. But of course, feel free to keep the sections you want to keep and feel free to add any sections you think you need. This is just how I'd like to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start editing this now. So of course, you can edit the title over here. So I'm gonna double click on this. And of course, if you want to change its color, you can do that. But let's try to experiment. So I'm gonna highlight everything and try to select a color that suits our theme. So maybe that should be okay. And of course, in order to be consistent, I think I would also like to change the color of this text. So let's do that. Okay, much better. And of course, you can use the Create AI Text tool once again over here, or input your very own text over here. And I think I've already demonstrated how you can do that, so I'm going to skip that part. And as for these over here, in order to change the image, just click on the image itself and click on Change Image. Upload the media that you're going to use. This one, for example, and then click on Open. Wait for it to finish loading. Click on it and click on Choose Image, and it'll replace the image previously. And then you can also edit the texts over here and over here as well. And you can basically repeat the same process for all of these over here. And for now, I think that's all. That's it for today, guys. Stay tuned as we continue working on this Wix booking site. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.